Welcome! In front of me I have Hama Fit Watch 5910 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with an iPhone. First, if your watch is turned off, you need to turn it on, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. Mine watch is already turned on, so I don't need to do it. After you turn on the watch, you will need to download and install the Hama Fit Pro application on your iPhone. So let's open the App Store on our iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search icon right here, then tap on the search bar, type in Hama Fit Pro, and tap on search button. You should see this application, Hama Fit Pro. Tap on it to select it, and then tap on this button right here to download and install it. Once the application is done installing, you can tap on Open button to open it. In the app, you will be asked to allow some permissions. You can allow them or deny them. I'm just gonna allow them, but if you want, you can deny them. For example, if you want to send the notifications to your watch, you can allow it, or don't allow it if you don't want to receive any notifications on your watch. Here we can allow the permissions for the health stuff like heart rate and stuff like that. You can also deny them by tapping on the switch. So basically, if you enable it, it's gonna be allowed. If you disable it, it's gonna be denied. So customize this to your liking and then tap on allow. Now swipe left on the screen and tap on start setup. Now tap on agree, and you will get few more pop-ups right here. Now it's a good chance to check if you have the Bluetooth enabled on your phone. So tap on OK, tap on get it, then check if you have the Bluetooth enabled. As you can see, I do. So if you have the Bluetooth enabled and the phone doesn't find your watch, you can wake up the screen on your watch, tap on refresh, and maybe this time it will detect it. Sometimes it has problems with detecting the watch, but as you can see, now it detected the watch. So tap on it to select it. And then tap on confirm device. Now we can set up a profile, user profile, and you will get a few more pop-ups like request for pairing. Tap on pair. Let's continue with the profile, so we can select the gender, year of birth, height, I believe. Again, the pop-up you can allow to display the notifications if you want. If not, then tap on don't allow. Then tap next, continue with the profile. And once you're done setting up the profile, you should see the home page. You can tap on device, and here you should see the device page for your watch. That means that the devices are paired. You can also tell by this icon right here next to the battery icon. This Bluetooth icon has this little thing next to it. That means that the watch is paired to a phone, or connected rather. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.